Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So we currently have 10 minutes to get to the Valedale Championship. That's where we're going right now. I don't know where it is. So, oh geez, where is it? I don't have a clue. I've never been this way. Well, I have, but that's like a year ago. Because I'm finally start Friday. I got it Friday. And I'm also moving homestables. And I'm gonna hide the chat. Where's the championship? So yeah, later or like next week, you're gonna like, oh, found it. I'm going to be finding a wedding outfit for 2 people in my club, Avis and Sophia Dolphin Cage. Guys, we have got 7 minutes, so I'll be back then. Okay, now I've got to talk to this girl. Yes, have fun. Stay close as I'll be starting the race shortly. If you leave a race area, you will need to sign up again to be able to compete. Good luck. Thank you. I've only got second place for more then. Oh, they look different. They look sexy. I've been added to a group. It's so laggy, guys. We've got like 4 minutes. Hey, if you want for people to say good luck to you, say good luck, everyone. Have fun. Everyone's a winner, no matter what place you get. Just say something like that, because that means you've made friends and more. So yeah. So make sure you say facing X, which means closing chat. Oh geez, they're talking about the wedding. I'm going to choose that later with you guys. So yeah. I will also be recording the wedding app. It will be up soon. So it'll be up around 8 o'clock. So yeah. Oh my gosh, it's starting. Let's see what group I get put in. Oh my god, let's see what group I get put in. Group 2. I'm against Mia. 14, 12, 15, 15, 15. What's her horse called? Oh my god, guys, I had a pony called Royal. She was so bad. Okay. You are in this champion stage. I'm so nervous. I'm actually shaking. Okay, guys, it started. Run! Run like the wind! No, you will not beat me. This is my first time. Oh, for God's sake, no, I failed the jump. Now I've got an itchy ear. Who here likes more, itched it? Anyway, who here likes Panic at the Disco? Because I do. My favourite song is Emperor's New Clothes. Oh jeez, I'm just like following everyone because I've never done this one, so I'm glad I'm not first. No, I got stuck again. Oh, 9th place, really? Oh well, it don't matter. As much as like, I do want to win, but at the same time, because I like collecting the medals, but I like, Also, I'm almost level 13, guys. And I'm in the best club, Wildwoods, and I've got a mortal enemy called Annie Waterstream. She basically accused us of copying their club dressage and said she's always been in Moonjaw's Legacy when she was actually in our one earlier, and then she left and joined Moonjaw's Legacy. And then they were like, yeah, you know. Oh, I made the jump. This is hard. It actually is hard. I got through anyway, but who cares if I lose? Because in the end, it's just a championship, and it's just a race to have fun. Yeah, you may want to win, but still. I still need to get my club uni, but like, I don't have like many Jorvik shillings, and I'm trying to earn it. So to stay a night, because I'm gonna like, because we got 100 star coins, I am gonna have like stayed the night, so I can get to level 14 because I've got the 100 daily weekly star coins. So you know, and I'm gonna be changing my home stable, which is 25 star coins. So we're gonna go to the store to do that. And 6. Oh my god, I've got 6, guys. Oh my god. Woo! Like I did in Fort Pointer. That's actually quite good. Also, guys, just to let you know, don't join. You can join Moonjaw's Legacy if you're on Unicorn Forest, but honestly, God, they copy people. Like, we were doing our dressage, our club dressage, and they copied us, and they actually do copy people because I think it was in the old one, and in their old club, Moonjaw's, and they copied people. Okay, I'm just going to put that. Anyway, guys, let's go for pickup. I want to change home stables, so, you know. Let's catch. Okay, because currently my home stable is Fort Pointer, but now I don't want it in Fort Pointer. It is now going to be somewhere else. And it is going to be in Dundle. Because I have actually seen, like, been to Miss Falls because I've done the quest, obviously, to unlock it. And honestly, God, it is so pretty. Honestly, I don't think anyone understands how pretty Miss Falls is. Anyway, leave her. Go here. So, guys, we're done to it. Make this my home stable. I changed home stable, guys. Let's go look in. I'm really happy about this. So you get to see my horses. Gold Spark. And the secret. And of course, Snow Angel. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you later. See you next time. Bye.